With so many dangers lurking online, having the right security software for your PC is essential to keep your personal data and information safe. So let's explore the best internet security software for your PC to protect against viruses, malware, and hackers. So we have first Norton 360, which is one of the top-rated internet security suites. It provides comprehensive protection with features like real-time threat protection, a VPN, and dark web monitoring to keep your personal info safe. We also have Bitdefender Internet Security, which is another excellent choice. It offers strong protection against viruses, ransomware, and big attacks, plus a great firewall to block unauthorized access. Kaspersky Total Security is known for its powerful malware protection. It has features like a password manager and secure online payments to help protect your data while browsing or shopping online. Now there's also McAfee Total Protection, which is a solid option, offering comprehensive security with web protection, identity theft prevention, and secure VPN for online privacy. Trend Micro Internet Security provides also strong antivirus protection and excellent web filtering to prevent access to dangerous websites. It's great for blocking ransomware and other online threats. So these internet security tools are going to help keep your PC safe and secure so that you can browse the web without worrying about cyber threats. If you like this video, leave me a like. Love ya.